back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Today I'm going to be showing you how I was able to repair this tub handle here where the whole base was moving anytime I went to shut the water on, turn the water on, or turn the water off, and that's not a good thing. So figured I'd better get in there and tighten it down before it causes any further damage like a broken pipe. So here goes. Okay, so got a new bathtub here. Problem is I've got a loose handle on the top portion. That part's easy. All I gotta do is twist it to thread it back on. It's no big deal on those. Checking the spout here. This actually has a little bit of a movable spout, but I kind of don't like moving it around too much. But what I have going on is when I go to turn on the water, the whole base moves, and it seems like the pipe underneath is moving, and I know that's not good. So I need to get in here and tighten this up. It's got special Allen keys, so it just takes an Allen key to loosen up the handle and then lift it off. Nothing too difficult. What I have is a faucet removal tool, and that it's got a little Allen key on it, and that actually fit just perfect. So I'm just going to insert it and be able to take the top off. Then we've got just a Phillips screw. It screws down, and that's holding the lid on. And we can remove that top cap, and that gives us access to the cartridge. And on this one, it's got this little trim plate on the bottom, and that's what was loose. It was loose enough it kind of compresses against the top of the cabinet surrounding. And so just a simple, you can use a strap wrench, or I actually just used a pair of channel locks here and turned it in just real carefully. You may want to take some steps to protect your finishes. I just kind of got it done. Just did it real carefully, and you're not going for super tight, just tight enough, just snug is good. And put the top back on, and you just want to position it where you want it. It's got a star end, so that it is able to turn the bottom portion. And then don't forget your Phillips screw to go back on the top. I actually kind of forgot here, and I was going to work on the other one anyway, which you'll see. But we got to set the Phillips cap. But setting the Phillips screw in will secure the cover to the deal. And one tip is not to over tighten that Phillips screw, because if you over tighten it, it's going to be really hard to turn your deal. But if you just snug it without going, just finger tighten it, the Phillips screw, and then that'll make it nice and easy to turn the water on and off. And it appears to me that these use a ceramic disc cartridge that just resets or sets into the mounting portion. So it looks like if I ever needed to replace them, probably wouldn't even need to replace them, probably just take it apart, clean it out, reset it. But if I ever needed to go there, I could just shut off the house water, the cold water line, as well as the hot water line, or vice versa, whichever one I needed to, and then disassemble it from the top. So that's pretty cool that these, seem fairly easy to work on, not too difficult. I got a bit of a cold, so bear with me. Check out my video, Cold 45. Anyway, I got a cold again. Anyway, yeah, the tub spout is movable, but again, I kind of don't like moving it around. So, just kind of set it in the center and forget it. And anyway, just give you another view of taking this apart here. Again, using the Allen key. If you have an Allen key set, that's easy because you have all these different sizes. But this one, the faucet removal tool, worked perfect for taking this out. Sorry, my hands are in the way, but you get the idea of what I'm doing there. Just inserting the tool, twisting it out. Actually, just loosening it up. You really don't want to or need to take it all the way out in order to remove the handle. Next, it's got that Phillips screw that holds the deal on, and you can actually rotate the whole thing by hand and see how it operates the ceramic disc cartridge. There's no compression on the ceramic disc. It's kind of nice. It's just a gliding function to open the water. So it's a very nice, smooth, no parts to wear out, no squeezing going on to wear out bib washers and stuff like that. So I really like the ceramic disc cartridges. And there you can see the stem. So again, if I ever needed to replace the stem or to clean it out, I can just turn off the water and then use a wrench, an adjustable wrench or the right size wrench, and turn out the stem, clean it out, and reset it or replace it if I needed to. Anyway, now I'm resetting the screw, and what I found is if you over tighten that screw, it'll be really hard to turn the deal. So the best thing is just to finger tighten that screw down, and then everything will operate nice and easy. If you tighten it down too much, it squeezes the deal against the cabinet surface. And you can see how I'm kind of struggling to turn it on there. It's just a little too tight. So wound up just undoing it, taking it off, loosening the screw. And then it dawned on me that I had forgotten to set the screw in on the other side, so I just went back in and set the screw on the other side. And this is for a deep tub. We're all set. Okay, so now that's all fixed. But I want to show you this. It's pretty cool. Here's the water. It's clear, right? But watch, as it fills up, it starts to turn blue on its own. Like a bluish tint. I'll show you, I'm just using it's regular water. You don't see any blue in the water bottle. See, it's clear. If you look at the water, it's like a bluish color. You hear it, right? And this water, it's just same water. Fill it. Clear. But when you look at the water here, it's kind of blue. Pretty cool, huh? See, it's got some kind of tint in the finish or something that makes the water up here blue, even though it's definitely just regular old water. Here, I'll show you. See? Not blue here. Definitely blue there. That's pretty cool. Yep, I'm gonna have to jump in there. Pretty cool. Just thought I'd show you guys that. It's a weird phenomenon with the finish. Yeah, I like it. It's pretty cool.